the aggregator that's actively managing the portfolio, buying, selling down a little bit, rolling and buying again, selling down a little bit. When you're collateralizing portions of the PDP, just talk to me about the dynamics for those who haven't taken on debt before. Of okay, and I'm used to buying and selling stuff down, but now I have some assets tied up with the bank. Should they focus on selling down the undeveloped stuff, or how do you navigate that? I'm sure it's a little bit more elementary in discussions, but for those who haven't gone through it, it would be a good exercise to walk through.
Sure. I'll start with this first half, and Jared, I'll let you take the second. But again, like most things with us, it starts with the conversation. Usually the client will kind of reach out and we'll say, hey, Gabe, send you some property names. We're looking at kind of peeling these out, maybe take out the market, see what we can get for these guys. We're selling down, undivided interest. What would that look like? And we, again, just have a conversation. We kind of let them know, hey, look, this is how it would, if you're removing this cash flow portion of the properties, this is what your, the borrowing base impact would be. If your it makes sense. And a lot of times it's just taking into availability or something like that, where it's no big deal for them. Then say, okay, well, let's look at your liquidity, make sure, post sale, you've got plenty of, borrowing base capacity, and depending on what you want to do with the proceeds of the asset sale. So very conversational. We just take it, digest, run maybe a scenario, not like we've got discussion we're having here, just to talk about it. And for us, if there is if the particular interest has been pledged as collateral and there's security documents on that, we'll look to prepare a release. But we'll always have a bit of a 5% of value permitted asset basket to, for the smaller portions. They're just kind of moving maybe some acreage swaps or something like that. All permitted within the facility, and all of which we're familiar with.